Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to delete a Facebook page permanently. Open up the Facebook app. Go into Menu. Click on the settings icon from the top right corner. Here search Delete. Then click on Delete on your page name and confirm. Choose the Deactivate Page option. Then click to continue. Now select the reason why you are doing this, then click to continue. Read the details of it, then press to continue. Now, at last, enter your password and click to continue. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.